What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the best cases for the iPhone XS Max from Poetic. Welcome back, and first of all, big shout out to the folks over at Poetic for sending out these cases for review. Links to these cases will be available in the video description. In terms of the unboxing, we get some installation instructions, as well as the case itself wrapped in some plastic. The Revolution Series case offers 360-degree protection, protecting your phone from all angles, and also includes a built-in screen protector, port covers, a rugged polycarbonate back, and shock-absorbing TPU. Let's go ahead and install the iPhone XS Max into the case. So we'll first lay it in the back section, and then place on the front section of the case, which houses the built-in screen protector. Again, this is an extremely heavy-duty case composed of premium polycarbonate and a shock-absorbing TPU bumper for drop protection. The back of the case features a cutout for the dual vertical camera system, microphone, and flash. The case also has a little bit of Poetic branding and a built-in kickstand, which is perfect for multimedia consumption. Taking a closer look at the bottom of the case, we have cutouts for both speakers, along with a protective flap for the lightning port. On the right side, our power sleep wake button is covered, and on the left side is a protective flap, and our volume up and down buttons are also protected. The case features a very unique design and adds some much needed grip. Next up is the Poetic Nuba credit card ID case. This case also has a very unique look to it with a really soft interior. So let's go ahead and install the iPhone XS Max into the case, starting off with the left side followed by the right. The case fits great and feels excellent in the hand. Case is made out of a premium high-quality TPU that's constructed with a premium perforated PU leather credit card slot. On the bottom of the case are cutouts for both speaker grills as well as the lightning port. On the right side, the power sleep wake button is covered, and on the left side is a cutout for our mute switch, and the volume up and down buttons are also covered, yet remain functional. On the back is a cutout for the dual vertical camera system, microphone, and flash. Next up is the Guardian Series case. And again, we get some installation instructions, as well as the case itself wrapped in some plastic. This is a full body hybrid bumper case with a built-in screen protector. We'll go ahead and install the iPhone XS Max into the back of the case, and then put on the front of the case, which again houses the built-in screen protector. This is a very rugged case with impact-resistant TPU lining around the polycarbonate that provides shock-absorbing protection. On the bottom are cutouts for both speaker grills, and we also have a protective flap over the lightning port. On the right side, our power sleep wake button is covered, and on the left side, we have a protective port over our mute switch, and our volume up and down buttons are also protected. We also have a cutout for our camera, microphone, and flash. And lastly is the Lumos edition case. Now, 100% transparent cases are some of my favorite cases, so let's check it out once we install the iPhone XS Max in it. The case feels great in the hand and adds some excellent grip to what would ordinarily be a slippery device. The case adds little to no bulk to your device. You can also see the exact color of which iPhone XS Max you purchased. Taking a closer look at the bottom of the case, we have cutouts for both speaker grills, and we also have a cutout for the lightning port. On the right side, our power sleep wake button is covered, and on the left side, we have a cutout for our mute switch, and our volume up and down buttons are also protected. On the back, we have a cutout for our dual vertical camera system, microphone, and flash. The case also features raised front bezels to prevent the screen and camera from touching a flat surface. All four of the cases mentioned in today's video are built extremely well, and I highly recommend them to everyone out there. If you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all relevant links will be located down in the video description. Be sure to drop a like rating down below if you enjoyed the video, and also subscribe to the channel to be notified of future content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.